In this video, I'm going to talk about articles. Now, first of all, you're going to want to pay someone to write articles for you because you're going to need hundreds of articles, and this will take you forever to do by yourself. So here's a few resources. I have iWriter, MicroWorkers, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for example, you can go to iWriter right here, and as you can see, you can get content written for as low as $1.25 per article. So you want to test out their work and see if it's something that you like. And if it is, you might want to stick with this website and even stick with the particular person that you're hiring to write all your articles for you to save you some money and time. Now, another website you can use is Fiverr. You can type into here, let's see, content, website content. And then you can search and see who has some good reviews. Okay, like this person, they have 16,000 reviews, mostly positive, but they might be backlogged. They might have a lot of people lined up. So let's see. Yeah, this person has 114 orders in the queue. So you might want to find someone who has less orders backed up so you can get your articles faster. But he still says 3 days on average, so that's pretty good. You can also use Upwork.com. So you can do the same thing, content writers. And then you can find people who will write articles for you. Okay, so you can sort through this. You have some people who's $50 an hour, so you don't want anything like that, obviously. Right, but there's some people who's a lot cheaper, and you can actually sort this by country. And if you choose a country, or even hourly rate, you see right here, hourly rate. So let's choose $10 an hour and below. So we choose that. This is way better, okay? Now we have stuff for $10 an hour, $7 an hour. Okay, let's see if we find anything even lower. $5 an hour. You want to try to look for someone who has a success rate too. 100% success rate, $5 an hour. So this might be a good person in the Philippines. Okay, so you can hire her to write articles. I mean, $5 an hour, how long does it take her to write an article? She should be able to write 2 within an hour. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is if you hire an article writer, you want to check to make sure that the articles they're writing are unique. So here's a simple duplicate content checker tool. That's this right here. So I already have this open in this window. So when someone says they wrote you an article, and if they say it's unique, you can go to this website and you can paste the article into here. It has a 2,000 word limit, and then this will scan the article to tell you how unique the article is. So you just want to do this to make sure the people that you're hiring are actually giving you a unique article and they're just not stealing the article from another website. And I also give you a few other options here. You scroll down. Here's a list of other duplicate content checker tools. So you can use these as well. Copyscape. A lot of people use this one, but there's other websites you can use as well to make sure that whoever you're hiring to write the articles, that they're writing the articles and they're unique. And then you can submit those articles to article directories. But what I want to talk about is something that most people don't do. A lot of people don't submit their articles to PDF sharing websites. So what I want you to do is to actually turn your document into a PDF document and submit this document to PDF sharing websites. So this is very easy. You can go to this website here, smallpdf.com. It just makes it easier for you. Okay, so smallpdf.com, here's the website. You see here, Word to PDF. So you just click here, and then you can browse for your file. See here, choose file. So you select the file on your desktop, and then you just can drag it here in this area, then press the go button, and it will convert the file for you into a PDF document, which is very easy. Now, once you have the PDF document, I actually put together a little small list for you. Here's a list of PDF sharing websites where you can share your document. Okay, we got Flippy, Isu, Slideshare.net, PDF, SR, eDocker, Script. Okay, let me give you an example of what this looks like. Okay, because I recently just did this for one of my clients. So here we're at Script. Okay, this is a PDF document. You see people can download it here. But look, these backlinks point back to the website. Okay, so if I click this, This takes it to my client's website. He sells Instagram followers. So here's his website. So you can see he has the backlink. And the way you want to set up your articles is similar to this. You see the way I have the link at the top? So I have anchor text here, which is buy real Instagram followers. Then I have the website here. Okay, so this is very easy for people to see. Right away, they see the website. So if they want to click on it, and there's no way that the search engines will miss this because look how big it is. Okay, then you scroll through, there's some more anchor text throughout the document. See, these are all links back to the website. These are clickable links, but it's in a PDF document. So this is very important. Here's another website here, storyfy.com. See, this is a clickable link here. Once again, this is a PDF document. Okay, here's a PDF document here. Okay, here's another website, Isu. This is the main one. People use this one because you can embed this PDF document into different websites. But as you can see, this is a clickable link. This is a clickable link. And so are these. You see it's highlighting? Clickable links. So these are backlinks. Okay, and let me go to this one. Once again, clickable links. Okay. Tumblr, same thing. Twitter. Google Plus, okay. Pinterest, okay. PDF SR, look, this is a clickable link. Goes back to the client's website. You see, so these are easy backlinks, and these are backlinks that most people don't even get, okay. This is like advanced backlinking. So this is very good and it's very easy to do. You're basically just syndicating your document to different PDF websites to get the links. And then what you want to do is build backlinks to all these pages. So once you submit your PDF documents to these accounts, you want to build backlinks to this page to make sure that Google finds all these links within the article. So like I said, just set it up like this. Make sure you use some anchor text at the top. Use your website, enter your website here. So if a client happens to pass by this, they know exactly where to click, and you have some more links throughout the article. Okay, this is very good. A lot of people don't take advantage of PDF websites. So this is good. This is something that you can do. So this is very simple. As a quick recap, what you want to do is you want to hire article writers just to save yourself some time. Here's some websites. And then you want to check for plagiarism. And here are some tools. You want to make sure the person is writing a unique article. Then you want to turn it into a PDF document, and you can use this simple website. And here's some PDF sharing websites that you can share it to. Very simple process. And I do that for my clients and it helps them out. Also, this is important too. You can also outsource the article submission process to a freelancer if you don't have time. But I recommend that you do it yourself. Freelancers usually create new accounts each time they submit the articles for you. But if you submit the articles yourself, you can build a reputable, trustworthy profiles on these article directories and PDF sharing websites. And submitting your articles using trustworthy profiles with reputations will improve your chances to rank the article on Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So basically what I'm saying here is that you can outsource this entire process, the whole process of article writing to turning the document into a PDF and then even submitting it. So you don't have to do any of this. But just keep in mind, if you outsource it, the freelancer is just going to create new accounts each time he submits the article. So he'll just create like one account on Scribd and he'll submit your article once. And if you hire him again, he's going to create a new account on Scribd and submit your article again. But if you do this yourself, you can create one account on Scribd and then you can submit like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 articles. And then you'll have one powerful Scribd account with a lot of documents. Does that make sense? So if you do it yourself, you can build a reputable account on Scribd, but if you outsource it to a freelancer, he's just going to submit this to new accounts every time. So that's how you can do it. So it's very simple. So if you have any questions about anything I discussed in this video about creating articles and submitting to PDF websites, go ahead and contact me. If not, I'll see you in the next video and I'll talk about tiered backlinks. So I will see you there.